This is number 21. I ran out of room, so I didn't write what this equals on the right side, so we'll just have to work with this side and then just show you what it equals when we get done. I guess I can put it up on top. I'll put it up here. Cosine cubed x square root of sine. Alright, so this is where we need to go. Okay, well, this one's a difficult problem because it involves factoring, but you've never factored halves out before. Okay? When you factor, you take out what they both have, at least what they both have in common. So it's easy to see that they both have a cosine, so I'm going to factor out a cosine. What's tougher to see is they both have at least a half of a sine. So they at least have a half of a sine. Okay, so if I take out half of a sine and a whole cosine, okay, what am I left with inside right here? I'm left with a 1 minus, okay, when I take out this whole cosine, it's gone, right? That came to here. This cosine came to here. This sine came to here, and I need half of this sine to come out of here. Well, if I take half away from 5 halves, I end up with 4 halves. Well, what is the sine of 4 halves? Well, that's going to be sine squared. And 1 minus sine squared is cosine squared. So now I have cosine times sine to the 1/2 times cosine squared. Well, there's your cosine cubed, which we're trying to get to. And it turns out that sine 1/2 of x can be written as the square root of sine. So here's your answer. This is a pretty difficult problem, but the reason it's in the assignment is just to show that you can factor halves just like you would be able to factor x's, although I'm pretty sure you probably didn't factor out halves when you're even dealing with x's. So anyways, here's your answer.